Did you know part of St. Patrick's Station had to be permanently sealed off after a young girl was found stabbed to death there in 1975? The murder shocked Toronto and changed the subway system forever. Some of those sealed-off areas still exist today, a chilling reminder of one of Toronto's darkest unsolved mysteries.
Let's begin.
16-year-old Miriam Peters was attacked inside St. Patrick's Station while on her way to visit her grandfather in the hospital. The case shocked the entire city. After her murder, the TTC completely changed subway safety forever, adding police patrols, emergency phones, security cameras, and even sealing off hidden passageways inside stations. Some of those blocked-off areas are still there today.